Cheers.
Your thumb in there?
Yeah. I'll clean it.
No, you can't.
The interests are the same. It's like right now, right?
You guys mom deep.
Yeah, I know. That was what? Not that bad. It was like 30 minutes.
Come on.
Come
That's
on.
actually fire. That looks like the Mariners friend.
It is.
Come on.
Huntington
Beach.
Cali, man.
We got so.
Oh, shit. This shit's clean. Keep it out.
Yeah, it
So
is.
I work at a body shop, so it gets covered in Bondo. So I just risk it.
Bring it.
2 Asians walk in the bar. The next day, they own it. Hey guys, just doing a coffee run, and then later we're gonna go to the pick and pull to get some bolts for Chelsea's car, and then work on it a bit today, and then just to prepare it for to go down to Miggy to button up everything, and hopefully get it running by track season. I just picked up the starbs for today's Junkyard run, the Type R. This is the order. Chelsea wanted the new trending Dubai matcha chocolate, and I always get my regular. This is like the cheat code for Britney's coffee. So that, and then we always get the banana loaf bread, and then I got our dog a pup cup because, you know, why not? And it was free. Car check. Something light, you know. Just a Civic, something light, you know. Starbucks.
Thank you, Alvin. So good. We're here to pick up some bolts. I'm gonna find out we could have just used G development bolts, but
Well, I just wanted this one.
I actually like Junkyard runs. E-series.
These are the best motors. 10 mil.
I need some 10 mils. Okay, I kind of want to rock the OEM side mirrors. They kind of look like big spoons. Honda badges. Back in the day, everyone used to steal those. Alvin said these are CTR.
Wait, no, these are some Chinese reps.
Logo. No red logo. Made in Taiwan. That's your people. What did you think of Modoo?
It was good. Family restaurant.
Out of 10?
8.5 out of 10.
Ooh, okay, that's pretty high. Leaf Fest 2026. Ready? What car are you gonna bring? I can see. And we can park next to each other. For real this time. Do not let anyone else guide you. Like
Bro,
two cars.
Park me in the back. I was like, bro, what the fuck? Dude? I was like, what the fuck? Like, I'm the first cutty here. Like, I was so confused.
Me too. I think they just wanted to park all the Hondas together.
No, what the fuck? Richard had a BMW.
I know. They parked Gal's FL5 next to me.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I haven't made any videos on the new case swap yet, but here it is, kind of just mocked in. Motor mounts, transmission, head and block all in there, EG subframe, intermediate shaft is in there, everything else is in the trunk. Gonna send it down to Portland to get finished just because don't really know what to do next. Oh, also radiator, full sized. Everything else is back here. It looks like a mess, but it's pretty organized. I have gaskets in that box, my harnesses in those 2 white boxes. What's in there? I forget. Some bolts, water pump, oil pump, my RBC, coolant hose, axles, exhaust, headers, extra oil pan because the one that's on my swap right now is rusted, and oh, the other axle. Heading down to Oregon to get finished by Biggie. Has more expertise in the K-swaps than new spoiler imported from Japan. This is a Cusco GT style wing. Shout out to Lowball Zach. Got it paint matched, and was inspired by Momo Cosmo with some black on the inside of the end plates. It's pretty cool. And what is this? Seeker base plate, picked up from buddies in Vancouver, Canada. So it's like, oh yeah, pretty gaffy, but you know, it does a job. Not too tedious about those kind of things. I just sold my Mode Park fume lip to the homie Austin. I'm gonna be running the Exceed V2 this year, FRP. Probably get it paint matched. The EK, and yeah, hopefully this is running by next month or March, so I can hit the first track day. But, yeah. Inside, not much has changed, just the fixed back RSGE Recaro, imported from SoCal. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, you got the baby knob on there? Accidentally ordered these and I don't know, made something of it for funsies. Oh, my grill is back here too. And my strut bar. I don't know if I'm gonna run this strut bar because it kind of hits the K-swap a little bit. Well, I gotta figure it out. We have Alvin over here installing a front pipe to the FK8s. Some cool mods that he's done so far. HKS block valve. I think there's a rear mount back there too for PRL. Our front pipe. Ordered some new shifter cables also. But that's like a 3-hour install, so probably won't be doing it around this time. Shout out to Hybrid Racing and DC Sports for the new mods. Downpipe coming off.
Go.
There it is.
It's bigger than my wiener.
Wait, what?
Bigger than my wiener.
Out with the old, in with the new. Less restrictive, shinier.
Bigger.
Ooh, you can put your fist in there. Looks good.